Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your VW Passat air filter. First, let's gather our tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a Torx T25 bit with a ratchet. A clean microfiber towel is also helpful. Always make sure your engine is completely cool before you begin. Having the right new air filter on hand is key for a smooth replacement. Now, let's find that air filter. Open your car's bonnet and locate the large black plastic air filter housing, usually on the right side of the engine. You might need to remove some plastic covers or an air duct first. Use your screwdrivers or Torx bit to undo the clips or screws holding the housing cover. Once unfastened, carefully lift the cover and pull out the old, dirty air filter element. With the old filter out, take a moment to clean any debris from inside the air filter housing. A vacuum cleaner or a clean cloth works well. Now, carefully place your new air filter into the housing, making sure it sits perfectly flush and creates a tight seal. Realign the housing cover and secure all the clips or screws you removed earlier. Ensure everything is snug to prevent any air leaks. Finally, reattach any air ducts or protective plastic covers you initially removed. Give them a gentle tug to confirm they are securely in place. Close your bonnet, and you're all done. A fresh air filter can significantly improve your car's fuel efficiency by up to 10%, enhance engine performance, and reduce harmful emissions. It also helps prolong your engine's life, saving you money on future repairs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.